This video will demonstrate how to organise your references in EndNote Online by making use of the Groups feature. When you add a record to your library, it is automatically added to the All My References area and the Unfiled folder. However, a useful feature of EndNote is being able to sort your references into individual groups. If you're working on several assignments at once, you can create groups to contain the relevant references for each assignment. To create a new group, select the Organise tab, then click on Manage My Groups option. Now click on New Group. This will bring up a dialog box where you can type a suitable name for the group, then click OK. This will create a new group. To add references to it, you need to return to your reference list by clicking on My References. From the reference list, simply tick the boxes against the records you wish to add to this group. From the Add to Group drop-down menu, simply click on the group you wish to add the references to. You can add the same references to more than one group if required. If you now click on the group, in the My References panel, you will see the references you have added. If you no longer require a group, simply return to the group screen, then click Delete and confirm. Your references will not be deleted, just return to the unfiled group. EndNote also allows you to share your references with other EndNote users if you're working on a joint project. Next to the group you want to share, simply click on Manage Sharing. Next, click on Start Sharing this group. Now you will need to enter the email address of the person you want to see your references. You can choose to let them have read access or read and write access. It's normally advisable just to give them read access only. Then click Apply, then Close Window. When you return to your references screen, you will see an icon next to any group that is currently shared. If anyone shares references with you, they will appear under the heading Groups Shared by Others. If you require further help with using EndNote, you can email library@mmu.ac.uk with your questions. You can access the EndNote guide from the library homepage, where you will find further information and videos on using the software effectively.